eye is kind of sliming over. Oh, you trying to bite me? He's trying to... It's kind of stuck in his eye.
Well, they're mean. Maggots are horrible. They attach, kind of.
How do you think I could get that? Ooh.
We could eat it if you want.
Yeah, you can see his eye. I think I could get it.
I guess if we had tweezers, but you'd risk hurting him.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. His eye is visible now. Look. I wonder if he can see out of it, though. You think he can see out of it?
Oh, is there an eye actually there?
Yeah. His other eye is gone, though. Kind of shaking. You see his other eye?
No.
Well, that's because it's not there, but... You see it?
Oh, is he blind? He doesn't have an eye?
Yeah. You see the yellow in that eye, though? Do you think that's an old maggot? You think that thing's dead?
No.
Because he might be able to see now. Although he seemed kind of calm for being able to see.
Maybe we should try to help him. Looks like it's trying to eat its eyes out, you know?
What do you think? Is that part of a maggot?
I don't know.
I don't really want to use my fingernail, but I will.
I don't know what kind of bird that is. Got kind of a mean beak, doesn't it? I don't know if it can see or not.
I think he'd be going crazy if he could see.
Huh? It's a little blonde bird. Mark's trying to help.
I wonder if he can see now.
Got maggots in its eyes.
Mom, do you think there's anything else in his eyes? Do you think that behind his eye is something I should get out?
It seems like it'd be blinking if it could see.
It is blinking.
Where do you see it blinking?
See?
Okay, yeah.
Do you think he can see? I can see his pupil.
Maybe.
So let's see if he acts any different now. He's flying completely different because before when he didn't have the maggot, he was not flying towards trees. I think he can see now. That is pretty cool.